So here is the Camillus Bushcrafter in 12C27 Sandvik steel. Micarta handle. Lock back. And here's the knife. So I didn't really look at my knife too well, did I? I would have noticed that it was missing a screw. Not the end of the world, but yeah, it's the I like that they tried to fill the usually blank hole. I think cold steel is the only one that I know of that fills the hole on the clip, but yeah, not a biggie. Comfortable micarta. It wasn't centered when I got it. It wasn't horribly miscentered, but this knife had some pretty bad side-to-side play. I was able to tighten the pivot to a certain point, but I don't have the right tools to do both sides because I don't usually mess with pivots. So I did get it to a point where it's not as bad, but it still has some side-to-side play. Very comfortable. What else is there to say about this knife? Yeah, I just think it needs to probably be tightened on both sides to get rid of the side-to-side play. I don't think it's something that translates very well on camera based off of some other knives I had, but it was significantly worse. So, very nice handle design, very nice blade shape. So this is the Camillus Bushcrafter lockback in micarta with the missing screw. Oh, I know. So as you can see, you can carry the clip. You can put the clip on both sides, left or right, but only tip-up position.